welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. Okay, you guys. Today I don't have anything to do. I plan on not leaving the house at all today. Thank God. So I've already cleaned out my junk drawer. I should have recorded that because they say everything is content. However, I didn't record it, and all I have to do today is clean my cabinets downstairs so that I can stick the bows up there. I might still need to go to, oh God, no, I don't want to. I might still need to go to Walmart and get the bigger strips of Velcro. I don't know. I don't want to. I really don't, because it's so cold outside. Unless I go with my pajamas. But I'm not going to do that because I already have my outfit picked out, what I'm wearing today. Even if I wasn't going to wear it, because I have to show you guys the hat for day 12, you guys. So with that being said, I'm getting ready to go fix me a bowl of cereal. Start working on them cabinets. And also I have to burn some paperwork. I don't shred paperwork. I put it in the barbecue pit and I burn it. So yeah, so that's, I have to burn the paperwork today. Like old ass mail and bills and stuff, I burn it. I have to do that today, and I'll do the cabinets, get that over so I can put my bows up. And then maybe I'll feel like wrapping those gifts that's sitting over there on that table. And I have a few more to wrap, and then maybe I feel like going shopping, but making it official. I already got my Bath and Body Works candle. I was going to give some of those out for gifts, but I can get my candles away. I don't like them people like that. Anywho, I'll be back, you guys, in a few. Okay, guys, I want to show you guys the top drawer is cleaned out and has more space back there. And this one is cleaned out too. It's organized. You guys just don't know what it is. These are cords for cell phones. This is my like oils and stuff that you put in diffusers, flashlight, chargers, stuff like that. And this is just important papers. And I really need to dust that for real, for sure. And these are the hats that I wore for Vlogmas so far. There's 11 of them. And then these are some of the gifts that I need to wrap. And then I also got some glasses that I'm going to put these little stickers on the glasses. They're really cute. And then I don't know why in the heck I might just going to put these ugly things. Look at these little things that I got for the Christmas tree. And then change up my vision. But guess what Lola's going to do? I'm going to put them on anywho. I'm going to pick these up, take them down. And this is, I had to do a nail video for, what's that place called? Madam Glam. So yeah. Let me put my stuff pretty much back where it was because I was trying to prop you guys up. But the propping didn't work out. So yeah, I'm about to go downstairs. Let me pick this stuff up on my phone. Oh, remind me to show you guys and these are the papers and stuff that I have to burn. And I'll take that downstairs a little bit later. Ooh, maybe I might need to turn this light on this. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I know I'm late for the party. Usually I get up at around 6 and I turn the lights off on the trees and stuff. But you guys, isn't it just, I didn't even light that table up. But isn't it just so pretty? So pretty. And let me see something. Actually, let me see some trying something with this camera, you guys.
Lola mixed 3.
Hold on, my son calling. Okay, my low riders, I was going through some stuff upstairs today, the stuff that I just showed you that I be spending money on and I forget about. So I found my little black Santa ornaments. I said, they're going to go on this tree and the 2 little ones. So yeah, I did that. And I feel good because I'm so tired of ordering stuff and then not using it. And that could be another video because I have some beauty hair products, like things that automatically braid the hair and stuff like that. that I could show you guys that I haven't used, and I've been having them for a long time. And when I got them, I said, I'm going to do a video on them. Guess what? Vlogmas, y'all getting it. I'm giving it to you in Vlogmas, okay? Looks like somebody didn't do the dishes last night. Yeah, somebody is me. I didn't do it. Okay, guys, we're getting started putting these silver bows up. My son is cleaning the cabinet off, and I'm just putting the hooks with the little adhesive on it on the bows. So you're finally getting it up, you guys. I was supposed to do this like about a week ago, and then I didn't feel like it. So didn't really feel like it today, but it had to get done. And we're getting it done. Okay, you guys, finally getting these silver bowls off. We figured out we had to clean off the cabinet, and my son started doing it. He was just doing it with Dawn, but then when I read the instructions on the little hook thingies, it said to, if it's a greasy surface or something, to wipe it down with alcohol. So it did end up wiping it down with alcohol, and they ended up staying up. But as you can see, after we put those up, they fell down because the Dawn didn't really do it. So yeah, we used the alcohol and then they stayed up. You'll see that a little bit later in the video, just a little bit. And he was mad about me recording him in his robe. Hell, I'm in my pajamas. I've been in this onesie all day long. Didn't have no plans on leaving the house. Well, I did when I thought that they weren't going to stick. I was going to go get some thicker Velcro. But with that being said, they did, and I didn't have to leave the house. Thanks, son, for helping me with the bows. I know you didn't feel good. Okay, guys, my bows are up. That was the final piece. Let's go back over here so you guys can do a little recap, and then that's it. Got my standing Lola table. I have my little reindeer and stuff. Then my blue, I don't even know what you call these little blue things. I've been saying blue balls. Blue and white. I think that is just so pretty. Okay, you guys. I'm slinging y'all around. I should have took this off of this thing, but I think I'm gonna need it again. But yeah, guys, that is it. And I am done with Christmas decorations. Now I feel comfortable with wrapping. Okay, you guys. So I don't know if the battery go dead because obviously I'm using it right now. But I took the rollers out. I'm gonna leave them just like that because I'm putting them right back in. And I said I was gonna give you a different hat every day for Vlogmas. Bam. Got my LA Clippers hat on, in the house, with my pajamas on. You got a different hat. I did not fail, I did not lie, I did not let you guys down. Y'all thought I was gonna forget, huh? I didn't. I didn't even have to leave the house today, and that's what I said in the beginning of the video. I don't want to leave the house. I don't think I have anywhere to go. Not to my knowledge, and guess what? I didn't. But we do need some water in this house, and I'm still not going out. It could wait till tomorrow. There'll be some lemonade, some iced tea, some Arnold Palmer, something. But yeah, you guys saw the downstairs, the bowls that we finally got up. The reason it wasn't sticking was because you know how you cook and grease gets on the cabinets. So that's what happened. So we had to wipe it down with alcohol and then put it back up there. Hopefully they're still up there tomorrow because you saw when we put the other ones up before we used the alcohol, they were coming down while I was recording. Big shout out to my son, Big Mike K, over helping me put those bowls up because he really wasn't feeling good today. But yeah, I'm gonna get off of here, you guys, and get ready to take my bath. And that's it. I'm gonna take my bath and chill, find something to watch. I said I wasn't cooking nothing, and I ain't. And then I wanted to make some noodles. We were talking, the bacteria in the noodles. But once the boiling water hit the noodles, especially in the microwave, whatever freaking parasite was in there is gone. But I'm still scared I ain't gonna eat nothing. But I'll figure something out. Hopefully I won't be eating no junk food, because usually when I'm like this, I eat some damn junk. Some potato chips and some soda and call it a day. But I do want a bowl of cereal. That's a meal. Do y'all be eating breakfast for dinner? I do. I like breakfast for dinner. How many of you guys out there like breakfast for dinner? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what y'all eat when you eat breakfast for dinner. And sometimes I eat cereal for dessert. So with that being said, you guys, I'm about to be out of here. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And it's also how you become a low rider. People say, what that mean? Well, my name is Lola, and y'all be riding for me, so y'all my low riders. So get with it. Get with it, okay? Subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed.